Good morning, friends. Today we'll cover problem number 6 in our tutorial series on top coding interview solutions in Java. So in this problem, we are going to implement the UNIX tail command in Java. Anybody who has been working in production servers and trying to debug a log, so they should be aware of this tail command. So what this tail command does is that, so it has got some arguments. We can print some arguments there, like the number of lines which we want to see in the real time from the log. So if the log is static, in that case, say for example, we have given an argument as 2 or 3 or 4 or 5. So the last number of lines which we have passed as an argument, that should be shown. And if the log is like appended in the real time, this is the real scenario that we have got an application log which is always getting appended in the real time. And in that case also, it will just print out the last appended lines, or then say, for example, if I have given tail -2 and the log name after that, so it means that whenever there are like last 2 lines appended, it will keep on printing it in the console. So this is what tail command is. So again, let me show the example. So I have got one file here, amendments.txt, and it is a huge file here. You can see this is a base text file which is static right now, and it has got like 453 lines. So let me try to like have a demo here. So I have this file here. So suppose if I do tail -5, which means that I want the last 5 lines to be printed, and I will just amendments.txt. So it will give me the last 5 lines, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And if you compare this part, it would be exactly same. So you can see that from 4, 5, 3, the last 5 lines are printed here. Similarly, if I do tail -2, whatever, it will print only the last 2 lines. The last 2 lines are printed here. So it's at the actual use of tail command is basically to monitor a log in the real time, and just to see that if any event has happened, and we are able to like view the information, or trying to debug any application, or trying to do any production support. So this is what the tail command is, and the problem statement says that write a program to implement the same tail command like method in Java. And in this Java, in the method that we will implement in Java, we are going to exactly pass the same arguments as the tail command in Unix. That it will take 2 arguments, a file name. So we are providing a file name here like this, and the number of lines starting from the last line that are to be printed. So this is the problem statement, and the follow-up is that implement a tail method for a running log file, which is appended in real time. So the first problem, just start with a very basic static file, just like amendment.txt. We have got a static file, and it's static. Static means that there is nothing appended in the real time. Just to implement on that, and the follow-up would be just to create a way that how to implement the same method for a running log file which is appended in the real time. So guys, again, I will strongly urge that you try this problem on your own. Try to write some unit test cases and implement it first. Only then, once you are done, I look for the solutions which are coming in the next videos. So see you all in the next video with the solutions.